The PLF1004 is a baseboard heater designed to heat a typical bedroom or office location. Its wattage output depends on the voltage that powers the device, but overall it achieves a reliable level of heat output. Its lengthy warranty period, combined with a wide range of size options for higher or lower heat outputs, allows this model to work for most homes and offices. This electric baseboard heater has a hydronic heat transfer tube, which continues to deliver warmth after the unit turns off. It operates at up to 1000 watts, the equivalent of 3410 2, making it an ideal unit for bedrooms and small offices. The baseboard heater measures 46 inches wide, typical for devices of comparable heat output. However, if you're in need of a higher output or smaller heater, this model comes with a range of variations that range from 500 watts and 28 inches to 2000 watts and 94 inches. With regard to the voltage requirements for wiring this unit, it is compatible with both 240 volt and 208 volt wiring. So whether you're wiring the baseboard heating device to a single thermostat in the room, or to a thermostat in another room set up for whole home heat sinking, this device will be compatible. When connected to the corresponding 240 or 208 voltage wiring, this will have a definite impact on the heat output of the device. For example, with a 240 volt wire, the heater can achieve 1000 watts of output, whereas with the 208 volt wire, it can only achieve up to 750 watts due to the reduced voltage. This electronic baseboard heating unit is protected by a 10-year limited warranty. This ensures the heating lasts you a while. The other individual parts of the device are only protected by a 1-year warranty. Since this is a hydronic heater, the parts aren't exposed to the high levels of heat that electric heaters put out. These lower temperatures can extend the life of the individual parts, which should provide some peace of mind. The Fahrenheat PLF1004 is a hydronic baseboard heater designed with all of the basic features needed to warm a single room. It contains the wiring components necessary for single-room whole house heating. The lengthy warranty and additional size options make it a good fit for many homes and offices.